Everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve this particular problem by selling a particular set of books for $408. This price, the bookseller suffered a loss of 4%, meaning that actually this price, right, out of 100%, this price actually represents 96%. A loss of 4%. So original price, usually we are looking for the 100%. So in this question then, I would have 96% to represent $408. And in order to find 100%, 408, I will have to divide by 96 to get 1%. Then I multiply by 100. This will give me a value of $425. And that will be my original price. Now, if the books, instead of $408, if I sell it for $510 instead, would I get a percentage gain or would I get a percentage loss? So in this case, right, since we know that the original price is $425, and if we are going to sell it at $510, we would actually gain a profit. And how much is that profit? Yep, the profit will be $85. And since they would like to calculate the percentage gain in this case, then I will have the gain over original multiplied by 100%. That will be 20% gain. Okay, so that will be the answer for this question.